Hayun, Sanjay, and Noah, the Revolutionary War. Americans in French versus the Britain.
Our research on the book. The book is fiction but has real information that can be useful. The book is also useful for your entertainment and fun. Our slide is real and it's not a book, and it gives you plenty of information for your brain. The book is black and white, but our slide is colorful. The book was made from Mary Bob Osborne, but our slide is from Sanjay Noah and Bayou. We did not use imaginary characters like Mary Bob Osborne.
Why we chose the Revolutionary War. We started a slide presentation about the Revolutionary War because we read a book and it was a Magic Treehouse book, and decided we were going to make a presentation about the Revolutionary War. The book was called Magic Treehouse Revolutionary War on Wednesday. In the beginning, the war started on April 19th, 1775. Over time, many colonists wanted to be independent, and they didn't want a faraway country to rule over them. These colonists were called the Patriots.
George Washington. He was a brave man who didn't give up or let the Americans lose. When he got married, his wife already had kids because her last husband.
The Boston Tea Party. The Boston Tea Party was on December 16, 1773. They would throw chests of tea into the Boston harbor from a ship. They were in big ships that were big.
In the middle, the Americans were losing for a while, but they turned the table later. The British Army had more men, but that did not matter.
The end of the war. The war was 8 years long. The Congress won the war. The war ended on September 3rd, 1783.
What we used. We used Britannica ImageQuest CRE and Britannica School CRE. We also used Explorer to get the information. The end of our presentation. Thank you.